Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of NEBO Unboxed. My name's Zach, and today we are unboxing the Torchy 2K by NEBO. The Torchy 2K is a compact yet extremely powerful flashlight. It maxes out at 2000 lumens, but measures at only 4.5 inches tall. Let's go ahead and get it out of its attractive gift box and take a look. Opening the box is easy. Simply cut open the plastic wrap and lift up the top tab of the box. Then slide out the light to reveal the Torchy 2K, the lanyard, and its mag cable charger. Underneath the carton that holds the Torchy 2K and its charger, you'll also find the user manual with all the instructions on how to operate the light. The first thing you should note when removing the Torchy 2K from the box is that it has a paper disc covering the battery connector on the inside of the battery compartment to prevent the light from being turned on while in transit or in a store. To remove the disc, simply unscrew the base of the light counterclockwise. Once the cap is removed, tip it over to slide the paper disc out. Once the disc is out, you may dispose of it and reattach the base of the light by screwing it back on clockwise. At this point, you may also remove the sticker on the base of the light that reminds you to take out the paper disc. Okay, so here it is, the Torchy 2K. This compact flashlight is absolutely perfect for everyday carry, and with a 2000 lumen turbo mode, its brightness will blow you away. First, I'd like to point out a couple other features of the light. For starters, on the back here, you'll notice the Torchy 2K has a removable belt and pocket clip, and on the bottom you'll notice the magnetic base for hands-free lighting and the charging contact that connects to the included mag cable charger to charge the light. Speaking of charging, it's really easy to do. Simply plug the included NEBO mag cable into your USB charging block and connect the magnetic base of the Torchy 2K to the mag cable. As you can see, the cable magnetically snaps into place perfectly to charge the light. While charging, the LED indicator on the mag cable will shine red, and when the Torchy 2K is fully charged, it will change color to blue. Okay, so now it's time to take a look at the power of this little light. To turn it on, simply press the N button once. The light will immediately turn on in high mode, which is up to 500 lumens for 3.5 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 90 meters or 295 feet. You'll notice that when the Torchy 2K is on, the button glows orange. This is to indicate that the light has more than 25% battery power remaining. Once the light has less than 25% battery power remaining, the button will flash continuously in 1-second intervals, indicating that you should charge the light soon. The flashlight will fully charge in approximately 3 hours. Now, since the light has been on for more than 8 seconds, the next time I press the button, it will turn the light off. However, if you press the button a second time within 8 seconds of first turning the light on, the light will change to the next mode, which is medium. And in medium mode, the light is up to 200 lumens for 6 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 50 meters or 164 feet. When I pressed the button to change modes, you might have noticed that the light did not instantaneously change to medium mode. Instead, it faded to it using NEBO's Smart Power Control feature. This feature ultimately reduces power consumption, extends battery life, and allows the user's eyesight to adjust easier as the light changes modes or when it's powered on. Since the light has been on for more than 8 seconds, once again, pressing the button will turn the light off. Pressing the button again will activate the next mode, low, which is up to 35 lumens for a runtime of 30 hours, shining at a distance of up to 25 meters or 82 feet. That completes the mode cycle of high, medium, and low using a single press of the power button. But there are 2 additional light modes you can activate as well. If you press and hold the power button on the Torchy 2K at any time, it will activate turbo mode, which is up to 2000 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 200 meters or 656 feet. The Torchy 2K will remain in turbo mode until you turn it off, or for as long as 30 seconds. After 30 seconds of being on in turbo mode, the Torchy 2K will automatically fade to the mode you were using prior to activating the turbo mode. If the light was off prior to activating turbo mode, the light will automatically fade to high mode. This feature protects the battery and prevents the light from overheating. The 5th and final light mode of the Torchy 2K is strobe mode, which can be activated by double-clicking the power button at any time. In strobe mode, the light is up to 1000 lumens for a runtime of 2 hours and 25 minutes, shining at a distance of up to 125 meters or 410 feet. The last few things I want to mention about the Torchy 2K are that it is water resistant with an IPX7 rating and impact resistant with a 1 meter drop rating. Also, the LED in the Torchy 2K has NEBO's standard expected minimum lifetime of 50,000 hours. Okay, so that's the Torchy 2K from NEBO. This little everyday carry flashlight is small, but it sure is bright. At 4.5 inches and up to 2,000 lumens, the Torchy 2K will not disappoint. Well, that'll do it for this episode of NEBO Unboxed. Once again, thanks for joining me. I'm Zach, and I'll see you next time.